Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last. Talking on an old flip phone. Today I shed the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee. Just hoping you'll come fly. I took a Greyhound down to Georgia, then a rental up to Maine. But how I hope for California in the spring. Tonight I leave the only home I've ever known. Got a couple $100 that I'm gonna blow on a used guitar, a Fender or an Epiphone. Doesn't kill me, it makes me wonder and think of what the future will bring. How I hope for California in the spring. Gonna find a place where my heart is ground. Steady light shine, and it gives me a rush of adrenaline every time. Gonna catch that plane, try not to get lost in the Everglades. In the start of a dream, it's your story decide to change. Go find the change. I took a bus back down to Nashville, in Carolina in my mind.